In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use torch in left hand in Minecraft Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, by default, you cannot equip a torch in your left hand or offhand in Minecraft Mobile. So if you go over to your inventory, unlike the PC version of Minecraft Java, you cannot simply equip items in this off slot. It is only usable for a shield. So if you want to use a torch, sadly, you will need to download mods, or essentially a resource pack and a behavior pack. So in this video, I'm going to showcase where you can download those packs that allow you to use a torch in your offhand. So as you can see here, the packs that you will need are going to be available on mcpedl.com. So you can look for torch offhand. As the name suggests, all that this behavior pack or resource pack allows you to do is to equip a torch in your offhand instead of the shield. You will still be able to use the shield, so it is essentially a new item. So all that you have to do on this page is scroll all the way down until you find the downloads. You can also find this pack available on other websites, but I chose to showcase it on MCPEDL. So you tap on downloads, you watch an ad, and you have them downloaded. Once you finish downloading them, open up the files. So now choose the option to open that file using Minecraft. You will load into the game and you will see this message, import started and successfully imported. Do this for both files that you download, so the behavior pack and the resource pack. Once you have successfully imported both, now enable them in your world. So you can go back to the home screen of Minecraft, and in here tap on edit on any pre-existing world or create a new one. When you scroll down under resource packs, you will be able to equip the torch offhand and also under behavior packs as well. Now once you have both enabled, you can join the world. And now you need to craft a special type of torch, so you cannot just place a normal torch in your offhand. What you have to do is convert the torch into an offhand torch. Don't worry, it is essentially the exact same thing as a torch, but this one will allow you to equip it in your offhand. So when you load in, open your inventory, go over to the crafting option, and when you put the torch into the crafting slots, you will see torch offhand, so you can make as many of these as you want. So keep tapping on it to craft, and you will notice that they immediately go into your offhand. So they are a distinct item than the standard torch. So in here I have offhand torches and then normal ones. So now all that you have to do is tap on your offhand torches and equip them here. Now I'm able to hold a torch in my offhand. And you will be able to use it like this when exploring, going caving, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, 83% of the people watching the videos on our channel are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.